course here's a script for your YouTube channel FK iPhone about the 2025 Vivo Y33s, written in a natural flow, without quotation marks, numbers, or headings, and keeping it under 800 words, Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we are diving into the brand new 2025 Vivo Y33s, a phone that promises to deliver a premium experience without breaking the bank. If you are looking for a stylish design, great features and solid performance, stick around because this one might just surprise you. First, let us talk about the features of the Vivo Y33s. Right out of the box, the phone impresses with its stunning display. It comes with a large vibrant panel that delivers bright colors and sharp details, making it perfect for watching videos, gaming and scrolling through your favorite apps. The smooth refresh rate also adds to the fluid experience whether you are browsing social media or playing high-intensity games. Under the hood, the Vivo Y33s packs a powerful processor designed to handle multitasking with ease. Whether you are switching between apps or running demanding games, the device remains responsive and snappy. It also comes with an upgraded GPU, which means better graphics rendering for all your favorite titles. Storage is no issue either, with generous internal memory and the option to expand it even further if needed. On the camera front, Vivo has clearly put in the work. The Y33s offers a versatile camera setup featuring a main sensor that captures detailed and vibrant photos even in challenging lighting conditions. The ultra-wide and macro lenses add extra creativity, letting you explore different styles of photography. Selfie lovers are also in for a treat with a front camera that delivers crisp and natural-looking shots, ideal for social media posts and video calls. Battery life is another strong point for the Y33s. It houses a high-capacity battery that can easily last through a full day of heavy usage. And when you do need to recharge, the fast charging feature ensures you are back up and running in no time. Vivo has also optimized the software to manage background activities more efficiently, further extending battery performance. Moving to the exterior, the Vivo Y33s stands out with its modern, sleek design. The back panel shimmers beautifully under light, giving it a premium feel usually reserved for more expensive devices. The frame feels solid and durable, yet remains lightweight enough for comfortable one-handed use. Button placement is intuitive, and the fingerprint scanner integrated into the side ensures quick and easy unlocking. The front of the phone is almost all screen with minimal bezels, making it immersive for media consumption. The subtle curve at the edges not only looks good but also makes the phone comfortable to hold for long periods. Vivo has also added a special coating to reduce smudges and fingerprints, keeping the device looking clean and fresh all day long. When it comes to software experience, Vivo Y33s comes with the latest version of FontOS layered over Android. It is smooth, customizable, and comes with useful features like extended RAM functionality, which can boost performance when needed. You also get a range of customization options from themes to icon styles, letting you truly make the phone your own. Audio quality is another pleasant surprise. The single bottom firing speaker is loud and clear, ideal for casual media consumption. If you prefer wired audio, the Y33s still offers a headphone jack, something many users will appreciate. Now let us wrap this up with a quick conclusion. The 2025 Vivo Y33s manages to hit all the right notes for a mid-range device. It brings a stylish design, powerful performance, versatile cameras, long-lasting battery, and a software experience that feels modern and intuitive. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just someone who wants a reliable daily driver, the Y33s offers fantastic value. That is it for today. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit like, subscribe to FK iPhone, and stay tuned for more honest tech reviews. See you in the next video. Would you also like me to create a shorter version you could use for YouTube Shorts or as a voiceover script too? I can even format it for easier reading during recording if you want.